Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video of a designer home located here in the Village of Woodbury in the northern part of the Villages. It is a wood framed home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video located here in the northern part of the Villages. This home is actually located in Marion County. You can see it does have a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage as well. You can see it does have a concrete driveway, very mature landscaping. It is a wood framed home. As always, if you want more information on this home, please contact the listing agent, Linda. That's her contact information. This home is located at 17066 Southeast 93rd Yondel Circle here in the Villages, Florida. Let's go in and take a look at this home. Very nice glass door. Here I am standing in the foyer area. First thing I notice is the tile floors. Off to the left is a guest bathroom. There's also a guest bedroom looking off into the living and dining room area. Off to the right, you will see a laundry area. Let's go in and take a look. This is a guest bedroom that's located in the front of the home. It does have laminate wood floors. Very nice and light and bright. It does have acoustic texture on the ceiling. Has bifold doors on the closet. Let's take a look at what the closet looks like. Right there is your closet. The wood floor, laminate wood floor continues into the closet. Back out into the foyer area. We'll take a look at the guest bathroom. Does have tile floors in the guest bathroom. Has solid surface, countertop, 1 sink. This home has been updated. It's beautifully decorated, very neutral. Does have a tub and a shower. That shower surround is tile. Give you perspective. Very nice home. Very neutrally decorated. Off to the right, you will see a laundry room area. Inside laundry does have a sink. Does have tile floors as well. Has a rod to hang your clothes. Let's go out into the garage and take a look. This garage is awesome. It has a golf cart garage as well as a 2-car garage. The floors look like they're painted or epoxied. Very nice and spacious, this garage. You have a hot water heater there. The roof was replaced in the year 2020. The air conditioner was replaced in the year 2019. Just to give you some idea of this home. Lots of upgrades in this home. The list price of this home is $399,900. Let's continue to walk through the home. We'll walk into the kitchen and living area. This kitchen area looks entirely updated. Panning off to the left, you do have a kitchen and a little dinette area. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture on the ceiling. The living room area does have the laminate wood floors. Very spacious home. It has 1,876 square feet that is heated. It does have a solid surface countertop in the kitchen. Has a gas stove. It has tile backsplash as well. Very neutral. Very neutrally decorated home. Stainless appliances. Light and bright. This home is really, really nice. It does have recessed lighting in the ceiling. Here's a pantry in the kitchen. That's your pantry right there. I will video the specification sheet. Please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. I will video the specification sheet. This is the specification sheet. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read it. List price $399,900. It is in Marion County. Please contact Linda if you have any questions about this home. It is a wood-framed home, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. These are the dimensions of the rooms as well. Let's continue through this home and take a look at what this home has to offer. It does have a temperature-controlled lanai. That is the temperature-controlled lanai. That would be your master bedroom. Let's take a walk into the master bedroom. You can see the laminate floors are continuing into this master bedroom. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. This bedroom has 3 windows in it. Very large, very nice, very bright. It does have a walk-in closet with a sliding pocket door. Has a master bathroom over there. Let's take a look at the closet. Wood laminate floors are continuing in the closet. Does have nice shelves. Very nice. Let's take a walk into the master bathroom. It does have tile floors in the master bathroom. Solid surface countertop with 1 sink. Does have a window above the commode. That is your commode right there. It does have a nice shower with a glass door. Let's take a look at what that shower looks like. The shower is tiled. It does have tile floors. Very nice. It does have a seat. The surround in the shower is tile as well. Very nice. Does have a closet in the bathroom behind the door. There is your closet with a bifold door. Very nice. Let's continue into the lanai. It's a 4-season lanai. It is temperature controlled. This is giving you a panoramic view of the home, of the living area. That is the kitchen area over there. Very high ceilings in this home. This is the 4-season lanai. It does have a sliding pocket door. It does have the wood laminate floors continuing in this lanai. You can see it is temperature controlled. There is your HVAC ducts. Very nice home. Lots of windows. Very light and bright home. Next, let's take a walk outside to the patio area. I will give you the directions of this home as well. This outside patio area, this cement is newer. The real estate agent was letting me know that this was recently installed, the cement patio. Very nice. Give you a different perspective of what the roof looks like in the side yard. Very large oak tree that does belong to the neighbor, from what I'm told. We'll walk to the corner of the home. This is the back of the home. The back of the home would be facing north. The front of the home would be facing south, just to give you some idea on perspective. That is the roof. Let's go back in and exit the home. We'll take a walk out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. Let you know what directions the street faces. Again, another view of the kitchen area. This is a wood-framed home. It's located in Marion County. It is in the northern part of the Villages. Let's take an exit. I'll walk out to the street. Very nice pineapple palm tree right there in the front of the home. This is what the exiting the home looks like. As always, if you are interested in more information of this home, please contact the listing agent, Linda. That is her contact information right there. Let's walk to the street, and I'll pan up and down the street just to give you an idea of what this neighborhood looks like. It is a very quiet neighborhood. That would be panning, looking west. That is your home. 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom, 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. Very hard to find in the Villages. This is the street panning, looking east. Thanks for joining, everyone. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate you liking and commenting on my videos. I do appreciate that. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Thank you for joining this open house video today. Located here in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. It has a 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Take care.